What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I think I want to focus on pulling some of the stuff out of the white CRX still, like the mounts, the block, the transmission still up in there. Get that dropped out because I was still kind of undecided what I'm going to do with the shell on that. For now, I think I'm just going to let it kind of hang out and sit and chill under the tarp. We're going to continue our primary focus on this. Picked up some pretty awesome goodies for it over this past week. I've been trying to get everything organized. I got stuff here for one project. Got some more stuff in for that over there on the shelf. We'll get to that. I actually haven't even showed you guys this project yet. I'm super excited about that one. Had BAB Racing. Old BAB Racing coming to the rescue. Look at this hoist. Down here over the quick holiday, me and him pulled out this 5.3. Well, 3 for the cop truck. Well, we're assuming it's a 5.3. It's either 4.8 or 5.3. We'll see what the pistons look like. So me and him did that real quick while he was down. Pick and pull pays, guys, man. That was dirt cheap. Went ahead and got the Z6 done up on here. This thing looks puny, super puny, but we have to notch out the bottom of the block for the beefy rods. I believe, if I remember right, and I have to do a little bit more refreshing, but I believe we have to notch just a hair on each side of those, and then a little bit on the girdle that sits up here that I have over there in the corner. We'll get some stuff accomplished, and then I'll give you a rundown of what's to come on this thing, maybe. But stay tuned. That easy. Honda bolt works perfect as a roll pin punch. Got that. It's coming up. All right, so now I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna pop the drain plug for this transmission because, wow, you can't see that at all. Right there's a drain plug. Usually, unless it's been changed, it is just a 3/8 ratchet head. Look at that pour. The fan's probably really loud, but it's really hot out here. I think the heat index is like 112 or something. All right, guys, we're all set up. Got the chain hooked up, got the hoist hooked up. Getting ready to pull these bolts out on each side. We're going to pull this thing straight up and out of here. Let's do it. All right, guys, that's what's left of the D15 B7 short block. out of the CRX. It is nasty, it is messy, and it is ugly. But that's all that's left. Got the transmission off of it, as you saw. That is just as gross. Alright. So, I still got a few things that I got to take off on this. I'm probably going to yank the traction bar off right now. Grab that mount real quick. Unbolt the regulator and bring that with me. From that point, it is really hot out here, man. So we'll do this, we'll regroup. I might get to mocking some stuff up there. I still want to snag out the ARP studs, inspect the clutch and stuff. I don't know what I'm going to do with the long block stuff. I don't know if I'm going to part it out and sell it or what, or I might just keep it for a little while longer. We'll see what happens. Power bolts. Innovative. 95A. Some good mounts. Not a lot of vibration either, honestly, for being almost completely solid, according to them. I need that. Meow. Traction bar. Made it ugly. Da, da, da. Alright guys, I think that's a wrap for right now. It has gotten really hot outside, so I got what I wanted to get accomplished, at least for the most part. We got the engine out, the transmission out, of course. Got to take the clutch and stuff off, take the head studs out of it. I'll probably reuse those for the time being. Can't use that anymore. Can't use that anymore because we're going to go with all this good stuff. There's another diff. So yeah, if you haven't gotten the point yet already, this thing's going all-wheel drive. It's going D to B. Got a B series transmission out of a 99 CRV. Got the rear diff, the axles with it as well. Shifter cables, shifter box, you know, good mock-up stuff. A whole nother gear set, so I think I'm going to get the conversion kit or figure out how to put the front-wheel drive gear set in it. I was told this was B16, but after counting third gear and first gear, I think I've determined it's actually a GSR stack, which I personally would rather have a GSR stack instead of a B16. I like the gearing better, always have. It's not as short, but yet you still can stay in power pretty easy. So I'm happy about that, actually. So we'll be tearing into that. I got some parts coming to mock everything up in the engine bay. Got the D2B adapter plate coming. Got some D10 springs coming for the transmission because a few D10 springs are missing, a few of the balls are missing. Kind of went through it and just made sure everything was there. It currently shifts and goes in gear like it should. Before, it was kind of having a hard time spinning around there, and I don't think whoever tore it apart had it fully seated right. So always check out what you get. Not disappointed at all. I still got it for a pretty good deal. I'm happy about it. I'm sure the dude's happy to have some cash in his pocket. So it's awesome. We're gonna move forward with this. The cat's out of the bag. I can't even talk right now. I'm so excited. The D2B, like originally planned D2B, and all-wheel drive at that. Before I even came down here to Florida, I just had a bunch of front-wheel drive shit laying around. I had, I think it was the LS and B16 transmission I was gonna make into a good one for the D2B application to hit that 600 horsepower goal. All-wheel drive is going to be insane. This thing's going to be a rocket ship. There's nothing to it. You got to stay tuned for it. It's a cluster right now. It is a mess. I have projects literally on top of projects and just everything around. It's a mess in here. But you know what? We're staying motivated. We're getting this stuff done. Stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, do whatever. Check the channel out. Follow the builds. Y'all have a happy 4th of July. Stay safe.